How to link YouTube to Twitch. Are you guys facing issue to link your YouTube on Twitch account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To link YouTube on Twitch application, first of all, open the Twitch on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile. Tap on it. After you click on profile, you can see the option for edit profile over here. Tap on it. After you click on edit profile, you can see the option for social links, manage social links. Tap on it. After you click on it, tap on add social link. Over here, you need to write down the title, for example, YouTube. After you write down YouTube, you need to copy paste your channel URL link. Once you paste it over here, just simply tap on save. After you click on save, your YouTube channel link will be pasted on your Twitch account. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna link YouTube to Twitch. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.